If you've ever been to an English pub or a church potluck, then you're probably familiar with pickled eggs. If you're not familiar with them, you're probably thinking, really? Pickled eggs? Let me assure you that they're quite tasty and make a welcome addition to any summertime gathering. We start off by hard-boiling eggs and peeling them just like we normally would do. After they're peeled, we place them in a glass jar and set those aside. While those are cooling, we combine a good amount of white vinegar, water, some sliced garlic, a little sugar to give it a bit of a sweet and sour taste, a tablespoon of pickling spice, and some salt and pepper. After this comes to a boil, we carefully pour this over our eggs, cover them, and pop them in the fridge overnight. To make these Amish style, you can always add some beet juice or sliced beets to the brining solution. Put these out the next time your family comes over, or keep them on hand as a quick grab-and-go snack. Either way, they're sure to be a hit. To get the recipe for our tangy pickled eggs, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a picklicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
There's pink inside.